Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix Steam not connecting to the Steam network. So Steam may not be connecting to the Steam network, and I'm going to show you different methods on how to fix this. So the first method is to check your firewall. So go to search bar and search for allow firewall. And here is the search result. Click it open. So once it's open on this, you'll search for Steam. So it's usually arranged alphabetically. So you'll search for S. So here is Steam, and make sure that Steam is selected both for private and public connection. So here there is no problem. Another option that you have to try out is go to settings. So search for settings, open up settings. And once in settings, you'll see an option on the left side that says network and internet. Click on network and internet, and in the network and internet page, click on the option that says proxy. And on the proxy window, make sure that the proxy here is turned off. So if it has been turned on, make sure to turn it off. And that is another way to make sure that Steam will connect. So once you're done, close it up. And another method you should also try is go to your Steam app, that is either the shortcut or the app itself, right click, then select properties. Then once on properties, you'll see this target field. On the target field, next to the .exe and quotation marks, you will type in space -TCP, then click on apply, then click on continue, and click on OK. Then another thing you should also do is right click again, click on properties, and you'll see an option that says compatibility. And in this option, there is this checkbox that says run this program as administrator. Mark this as yes and click OK. And finally, go to task manager and end all Steam tasks so that it will restart. So we'll search on the top bar for Steam and we will end the task. Once all tasks have been closed, close Task Manager and open up Steam again. So this should work and Steam should connect to the internet. And as you can see, Steam has connected to the internet. So this is how you fix Steam could not connect to the Steam network. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.